Anyways. Oh, he's cute. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time. I have been working a lot, which has its pros and cons because, you know, I have money in the bank, but no creativity. You know, on regular days off, I usually just don't want to do anything, and which is fine, but we're just gonna go to Mount Rainier just so we can walk a little. I just want to get some steps in for the day. Honestly, sometimes when it's just my days off, I try not to like overwhelm myself. Regardless, I always have things to do, but I get those done during the week. Even when I'm working, I get a lot of my to-do lists done. I really leave my days off for days off. Like, I will do laundry even if I got out of work at 11. Like, it does not matter. Like, I will get it done. That's the tourist in me. What can I say? Anyways, so we will go to Mount Rainier today, and so I will update you guys on how that is. For my family who's watching, this is what I'm up to. I love you guys and miss you guys out there in California. And yeah, so that's Darian. We are matching. You're cute. Okay, we're gonna eat, we're gonna drink our medicine ball, and we're gonna start, well, he's gonna start driving. Alright, bye. Boom, boom, boom. Anyways, you're... Bro, like, I haven't like actually been in the snow in a really long time. Last time I experienced snow was in California, like 5 years ago. I don't remember. I don't think I've gone to the snow in a long time. Oh, look how pretty this one looks. This one looks like freaking Narnia. Look at this. So cute. It looks better in... Honestly, I think snow looks way better in person. Yeah. Yarsies.
Oh, we're slipping. We're sliding.
And
Did you feel it?
You're being calm?
Yeah.
Wow, Darian's awesome. He's calm and collected while the car was slipping. Are you slipping right now?
Yeah, my tire like went that way.
Oh. Okay, I wanna go home now. Thank you. Anyways, guys, I'll see you in the next shot. It's gonna be me at home. Okay. I'm sweating. Mommy, I love you. Wait, you won't see this. Gotta go. Bye. I'm scared. The floor is like literally all ice. And so we don't know if we'll get there. Why are you crying? We're here. Oh, look at my shoes. Hi, cutie. Hi, baby.
It's freaking cold, bruh.
Hey, bruh. Hey, guys. So Darian got stopped on his way here for driving over the speed limit. And the funny part is the guy was like, okay, he was really cool. So shout out to that cop guy who stopped us, because it's just like, hey guys, how does it look? I'll let you guys go. You just don't speed in that same. You guys just don't speed on my. He said his street, but I don't know what street it was. Obviously, like Valley something, Green Valley Street. I don't know. And then he was like, and then he just laughed, and then he was just like, hey, have you guys told anybody that you guys are here? Blah blah. He was like, ah, oh, because it's a really good idea. Okay, anyways, look, I'm distracted. Look. Oh. Snow. I probably shouldn't do it with my hand because that was kind of cold. But I'm wearing my waterproof Columbia jacket. And I'm cozy for the winter. Yes. Anyways, yeah, so he was funny. And then he just said that make sure to tell someone, and we didn't. So, hey. This is me saying, if you guys don't see me, don't hear of me, something happened. But anyways, on the brighter note, snow for a Californian.
It's cold, bro.
Darian's like freaking wearing 3 sweaters and shite, and I'm over here happy with one. You want to see my outfit for the rain? I mean, for the weather. This thing's hot. I'm not gonna wear more.
It's 2 miles away.
Can we just walk for a little bit?
Okay.
Oh shoot! Watch yourself. Oh. I'm putting my thumbs up, but you can't tell.
Stand under there.
Huh?
Stand under there. Under this one. That one was cute.
Hey guys, so for the rest of the day, we ended up walking. It was a very soothing thing to do. This is kind of just a message to you, and also to let you know to take a break. Get out of your routine and do something new. This day I got to feel very childish, you know, spend the time in the snow with my partner. I feel a connection very deep with nature because it just reminds me that I'm living, that the world keeps on going despite of any politics going on right now, despite of anything that could potentially affect my future. The world goes. It really just breaks your shell. It's good to have those bursts of serotonin in your life. I am so insistent that I wanted a 30-minute walk today. So Darian was like, why don't we go to Mount Rainier for your walk? Smile more often. Take deep breaths. And know that despite of it all, it'll all be okay at the end of it all. If you don't even understand, like it literally makes like a satisfied like noise. Freaking look. Like, do you I have never. In my case, I got to spend the time throwing snow and really feeling in tune. It definitely was a good start for me and my partner, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Take risks in life, because if you don't take those risks, life will go in the blink of an eye. Next thing you know, time flew by. So, with that being said, thank you for watching this video, guys. Thank you for watching me have fun. And look at me, I was up 6 feet high on a tree trunk. Who would have thought? And then I thought I was still 6 feet high. And I was just like an inch off the ground. Anyways, enjoy the video. Comment,
right
like, subscribe down below. Thank you so much, guys. Take care. No! That was embarrassing.